Is your Forex broker dishonest? A quick search for the words MT4 Virtual Dealer Plugin will yield a lot of results. One of them is this article about the features of the Virtual Dealer Plugin and how brokers can use it to their advantage. You will learn from this document that your broker can delay your order to give you the worst possible price on your trade to pocket the difference. They can also re-quote the prices, trigger your stop losses, and increase the spreads. You may think this sounds like some crazy internet conspiracy of a few offshore brokers, and that no reputable broker will ever run such a program, right? Well, think again. Let's go back to Google and refine our search by adding the word NFA. This will bring us to the National Futures Association archives. By reading this complaint against Gain Capital, also known as Forex.com, you will learn that not only they used a virtual dealer plugin to maximize their profits, they also changed the leverage on the account from 200 to 1 to 100 to 1 in order to force the liquidation of the largest losing position on their customers' accounts. No wonder they earned $150 million in 2009.